10. The question you need to ask yourself is, how do I invest in myself? How do I know how to invest in myself? That has everything to do with you knowing yourself. Now, I'll give you a simple example. Just the proof that as people, we don't spend time discovering self. If I give you a piece of paper now and say, write 40 good things about yourself, you know how long it's going to take you to do that?
Just 40.
Just 40. Even if I say 5. Some people 5. You know, if I say 40 now, you might find that after an hour, you've only done 7. You are still trying to figure out. Because at that time, it's only then you are affording your brain the opportunity to reflect. Because many a times we never afford our mind to do that. We never look into self. We are so good at looking outside ourselves. But we have not trained ourselves to look into ourselves. Because looking into ourselves actually has a lot more value than looking out. That is why you will find that even some of the wisest people will tell you words like, don't stick your nose where it does not belong. Those words are words that actually carry a lot of wisdom. Because what it shows you is that you should not know more about your outside world than you know about your internal world. What is happening in your internal world? If I say to you, what makes you happy? And you are not even sure. You are thinking, if I eat Nando's, I am happy. You are not even sure what makes you happy. You are still trying to figure out. That is why a lot of people, some of them realize while they are in the middle of what they thought would make them happy to say, man, I don't think I'm as happy as I thought I would be if I did this thing. It does not make me. How many people thought you look at a lady, or a guy looks at a lady, or a lady looks at a guy and says, this one can make me very happy. And only to realize when you are with that person and say, man, you know, they are busy right now with forever here now. Until you get to a point where you realize, man, because your definition, and it has nothing to do with the other person. It has everything to do with you. Your definition of what you thought would make you happy is now all of a sudden turned around. And you are thinking, I thought this would read. Now, because you only looked at yourself from the surface, you didn't go as deep as you can. This is what is important about reflecting. Self-introspection. Take the time to sit and self-introspect so that you will know what are the things that will actually create value in your life. What is it that will create value in your life? Have you noticed that some people will think, I'm a writer. I love writing. Until they start writing and they realize, you will never know how much you love something until you start doing it.